In this video, we will discuss BBG Ramji bill, which is newly proposed bill which will replace the MG Narega Act. And first, we will discuss the full form of this bill, and it is Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin. So, let us first know how it is different from the Manrega Act of 2005. So it is a shift from right-based demand-driven rural employment scheme to a budget-capped supply-driven framework aligned with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. BBG Gramji bill focuses on strengthening the grassroots democracy by empowering the Gram Sabha and Panchayati Raj institution. Let us now discuss the main aim of this bill. So first, it is decentralization of governance. Secondly, it is transparency in decision making, and third is direct participation of the villagers in developmental planning. There are certain principles involved in this bill, like a Gandhian idea of Gram Swaraj will be there, constitutional spirit of 73rd Amendment, and bottom-up governance model. Now let us discuss certain provisions of the bill. It will increase the number of days to 125 days of employment per rural household per financial year. Secondly, it will be non-universal coverage. Remember, earlier it was for every rural person above 18 years of age. Third, it is certainly centrally sponsored scheme, and it will significantly increase the financial burden on the states by revising the cost sharing pattern to 60-40 for most of the states. And lastly, unemployment allowance will be paid by the state. Earlier it was done by the union government. Now there are certain concerns regarding this bill. Now we will discuss one by one. First, it will dilute the right-based employment guarantee as it is a supply-based employment scheme, remember. Secondly, shift from universal to the selective coverage to the as it will be only for those union notified rural areas. It will raise the risk of exclusion of many non-governing states in India. Thirdly, it will increase the fiscal burden of the states with limited resources. Fourth, technology exclusion will be another problem because biometric and geotagging attendance are not viable for the poor. In conclusion, we can say that with all the concerns, if tackled properly, BBG Ramji is a step toward the self-reliant and empowered villagers. Thanks, and subscribe for more BPSC preparation videos.